In this module, we are going to talk about cultural diversity. Although a society might seem to be ethnically and racially homogeneous, but its culture is not necessarily uniform. Cultures are not experienced the same way. Cultures might have few similar features, but overall, each culture is unique in its own way. That is called cultural diversity. Each culture provides a blueprint for its standard and way of living. Usually, the cultures with dominant values are known at international level, and the cultures which belongs to the developing world are known but not given that respect at international level that is usually given to the highly developed countries cultures. Different societies have different origins, religions, and traditions. When different societies interact, then it leads to cultural diversity. Values, beliefs, symbols, languages, attitudes, rituals, behaviors, and traditions are diverse, and they are transferred from one generation to another. And no country can say that they can impose any single system in any other part of the world, because all individuals in different parts of the world having different kinds of rituals, customs, traditions, and they can adopt other traditions, but those imported traditions cannot be imposed upon any other part of the world. We may say that voluntarily, if groups, individuals try to adopt any culture, it is another issue. But we cannot impose any other value or custom or traditions on another part of the on the individuals who are living in another part of the world. Cultural diversity is influenced by following factors: physical appearance, family structure, socio-economic status, religious beliefs, geographical locations, education, and profession. Cultural diversity has increased due to globalization, international migration, intermarriages, access to foreign educational institutes, mutual trust building due to increased interaction of people from diverse backgrounds. In the age of globalization, we know that through social media, people are interacting with each other. Even they are playing games sitting in the developing part of the world or in the developed part of the world. Nobody even knows to each other. Anonymity prevails there, but still they are playing with each other. So that is the beauty of this diversified cultural global system. What are the disadvantages of this cultural diversity? It sometimes promote racial discrimination. Dominant culture is prioritized over the culture of ethnic minorities. Communication barriers, economic differences, erosion of local cultures due to influence of global culture. But the states which take care or respect the minority cultures are usually considered more peaceful and successful in the global village.